Welcome to the next generation of Conductor, a completely reimagined experience seamlessly integrated with your team's tech stack and data. Conductor is your launchpad for all things organic marketing, designed around your entire workflow from research to execution to measurement, enabling cross-team collaboration. And quickly jump to the info you need from anywhere in the platform. Let's dive in. Great content starts with knowing your customers inside and out. Uncover customer intent and kick off content creation with Conductor's Explorer. Get on-demand, real-time insight into search interest across channels and see the questions people are asking online. Use demographic insights to tailor content to your audience. Brief your content team right from Conductor with actions. Create and then send briefs and follow-ups to your team's favorite task managers like Asana and Trello to transform insight into action. Conductor guarantees your content will make an impact with prescriptive AI recommendations. Get the winning recipe for how to rank topics that matter most to your audience. Then, publish HTML changes directly to your page in real time with Conductor Live. The optimizations you make have a direct correlation on traffic, conversions, and revenue. And because you need to know about changes in performance ASAP, Conductor automatically alerts your team of page wins and issues. Measuring organic marketing success is essential for getting buy-in from stakeholders. With Conductor's content measurement, dig into the performance of your content at scale. Track performance year over year and see how SEO activities are impacting performance to demonstrate ROI. Track your holistic organic visibility across the web. See your rank performance across digital content for any and every keyword, no matter where that content lives, like YouTube videos, Amazon listings, or even news articles. See your visibility across every location and get competitive intel on your market share. Quickly craft custom reports in workspaces, tailored to the contexts that matter most to your business. Favorite and share with stakeholders for seamless collaboration. And we know your team's time is valuable. Scale your organic marketing program right here from within the Conductor platform. Kick off new projects and start campaigns with services available from Conductor experts and our industry-leading partners. We vet and curate the best offerings to save you time, and projects are flexible and scalable. Easily request offerings in just one click and track the progress of all your projects. The next generation of Conductor. Schedule a demo today.